Dan, I've had some minor termite damage and a little water damage out on my lanai. I had it all fixed, but do I need to disclose that if I'm selling my Waikoloa Beach condo? I'll tell you, coming up next. Yeah, there's an old saying in real estate. It goes, disclose, disclose, disclose. Hey everyone, Dan Polimino from the Hawaii team and KW Big Island. The question came in to us this week on Ask the Hawaii team. I had some minor termite damage on my lanai and some minor water damage. Do I need to disclose that when selling my Waikoloa Beach condo? The answer is absolutely. You got to disclose any material fact about your property that you know, even if you had it fixed and remedied. You just say that. You said had minor termite damage in 2022, had pest control come out, spot treat it, no further signs of termites, something to that effect. You know, an attorney told me a long time ago, you'll never, ever, ever go wrong in real estate when you're in a transaction by over disclosing. Like, you can't disclose too much. Don't leave anything out. And I'm sure if you contacted a real estate attorney, they would tell you that the majority of real estate lawsuits, I'd probably say 80–90%, because I used to sit in these meetings with attorneys as being an owner of a brokerage firm where agents were in trouble. And almost all of the lawsuits we discussed always involved two things. Number one, a seller's failure to disclose. That was number one lawsuit by far. Number two, closely behind, was one party in the transaction was not represented. And that usually goes badly. That's why I'm always talking about having representation. So the answer is yes, you've got to disclose it all. Water damage, termite, cracked window, small leak at the toilet, whatever the case may be, disclose, 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 and you will not go wrong. Hope I've answered your question. If you have more, you can contact me on my cell phone, 808-987-3306, 808-987-3306, or check us out at thehawaiiteam.com. And until we talk again, aloha.